How to add product categories in Shopify, step-by-step tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can add product categories in Shopify. So let's get into it. So to get started, a lot of people think that if you go into the product section and you simply go into creating a new type of product, you can add a category. But this is actually, very difficult because if you go into the product category section, you only have like a set amount of categories that you can add. You can't really customize it and, customize it to what you want. So let's say I want to create a category called winter clothing. So I can't really do that exactly directly from here. So for that, there is a very simple and easy way, and I will break it down for you guys because a lot of times people get confused about it. So it's very simple. First off, you're just going to go into your online store. Once you click on your online store on the left side of your screen, so you're going to click on your online store, you're going to click on your navigation. Once you click on navigation, you will be able to see your menus. So what you will do is that you will edit your main menu. So you're going to click on add menu, and you can see this is, you have multiple different menus over here. And in your menu, I'm just going to click on the main menu over here. And once I have the main menu, let's say that I want to add in the catalog section, I want to enter all of my categories. So all you have to do is click on add menu item, whatever is the name of the category. So I will show you guys exactly how to categorize or how you can add categories and subcategories. So let's say I want to add the category called winter clothing. So I'm just going to name that, and I'm going to go on ahead and link this to a page. So this should be a page, and what you're going to do is you're going to either link it to a page or a specific product, or you can link it to specific collections. So this is totally up to you. A very simple way is to just select product, and you can select all product, or you can select the ones that fit in that category, or you can select collections. So from over here, what you can do is you can either choose to link this to a page or to a collection or specific products. Now, the way that I like to categorize my products is by doing collections. So I just select collections over here, and I just like to add a collection. So I really like to make it simple and use a collection page. So I can click on all collections. This is just a sample, so I'm just going to do that. Now, what I like to do is once I've created this separate menu item, I like to move this to the right. And once you move it to the right, move it up, then it will be placed within the catalog. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my product. So I'm going to save this from the top right of my screen. Now I'm going to add my products. So let's say it's a sweater. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on product. You can see your categories over here, so you can choose the suggestion or not. But what's important is that you also add the specific item that you created. So if you created products, if you're directly linking products, that's up to you. If you created categories, if you used collections, then you want to make sure to add a collection. So you can see you have multiple different collections, and this is directly on the home page. But what you want to do now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link it to winter, and I'm also going to add the tag called winter collection. Now I'm going to save this over here. And once I've saved this specific item in a winter collection, so now it's labeled winter collection, and now I'm going to go into my collection section in my product. Now I'm going to click on create collection. This will be winter collection, and this is going to be a product tag. So I'm just going to take the product tag, and if the product tag is named as winter collection, it will automatically be put in the winter collection category, so in the winter collection. So now once I've done all these steps, although it might seem a little bit confusing, it's not really that hard. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is if you go into the product section now and you take a look at this specific product, it is now in the collections in the winter collection. Now, whenever you tag any item as winter collection, it will automatically be put into the winter collection. Now, you might be wondering, hey, we went into the navigation. How does this help us? Now, in your navigation, what you're just going to do is you're going to go back into your navigation, you're going to go into your main menu, and once you are in your main menu, you're going to click on edit, and in my winter clothing, I'm going to click on collections. I'm going to click on winter collection, and now with this, now on this specific page on my Shopify store, only the items that are tagged as the winter collection will appear. So in this way, you've created simple and easy categories for your Shopify store. So if I go on ahead and view my store from over here now, making sure all of my changes are now valid. So you can see over here now, if I go into my catalog, I can click on winter collection, and now the sweater that I just created as an item is now available over here. Just to rewind with you guys, just to recap this, you can simply go into Shopify. You can do the first step first if you want. If you already have, the collections in mind, you can simply go into product, go into collections, and then you're going to click on create collection. And let's say that the category that you want to create is summer tops. Now after that, you can add a description, and if you choose to make it a subcategory, do the same thing and just keep a very specific tag. Now summer tops, so whenever a item is labeled as summer tops, it would be put in the summer tops collection. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my online store, go into my navigation, and I'm going to go into my main menu. Once I'm in my main menu, I will click on add item to catalog, and within my catalog I will name something called summer. And let's say for summer, I'm just going to link it to my homepage, but if you just create summer and then you link it to your actual summer collection page. And now if I want to create a further subcategory such as summer tops, I will simply do that, and I will click on collections over here, link the summer tops collection to this specific sub page. Now you can see maybe I want summer tops to be present within the summer section. So I will simply click on the summer tops over here and move them to the right, and now summer tops are a subcategory of summer items, and in this way you can create as many categorizations or collections as you'd like. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like, and if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.